Hello guys, I'm in my garden and I'm quite excited today because the project I'm doing on black soldier flies is actually working. I didn't know I had black soldier flies in my garden, and I decided to try some things out, and it worked. From a lot of research I've done, they are really good for feeding chickens and fishes, and so they are going to help cut down cost on feeding. So I experimented in my garden and it worked. Let me show you quickly. Let me just show you quickly. I'm so excited. My black soldier fly project is working. There they are. It's DIY biopod I made myself, and now it's working. They're all coming out. So now I can start my own black soldier fly cultivation. This is the net area I created. As you can see, those are black soldier flies. I created like a biopod, and those things are coming out from there. Now I'm just going to show you my simple biopod for black soldier fly larva. Simple design but works very well. Hello girls. Hello. How are you doing? Let me show you the design. Okay, so over here we have an inlet where the female mature black soldier fly will go in to lay her eggs. Then I don't know if you can see them, but they are right there moving. Let me just get something to move up this thing so you see clearly. See them? Can you see them? There they are. So when they are mature, they climb up and come out through these holes at the side. Then they fall into this bigger tray. You can see one there. So to access or to get out the larvae, all I need to do is bring them out. You see this for collecting the manure tea, and there we go. Let me just feed this to the girls, to the chickens. You see how they love. Oh yeah, come over here. Let's go. See them? You want some too? You want some too? You too, you want some too? They all love black soldier fly larvae. So these are all the components. Very simple design. Okay, a bigger bowl to catch the pupa, that's the larvae, when they are at their pupa stage. Then I have a smaller bowl which I'll put inside. This one I use to trap the manure that comes out from this while they decompose their food. The liquid that drops, I trap it in this container. I use it to manure my garden. Then this one goes on top, and there are some holes underneath and holes at the side where the larva will climb and come out from. The holes underneath for the manure to drop into this bowl. So when I put it like this on top of the bowl, like that. Then here is the cover to cover the top, so rain cannot get in. Works very well. In my next video I'm going to be explaining how this one works. This one self feeds the chickens. It's also a black soldier fly larva biopod DIY. I constructed myself. It works very well. There you see the larvae will climb out and fall to the ground, and the chickens will eat them. So yeah, do not fail to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.